There's no such thing as a coincidence. Everything has a cause. So basically, meteorologists who give you the weather report, people objected to them. With all these supercomputers that you have, with all this technology, why can't you get it right? Why can't you tell me how the weather is going to be like 10 days from now, 20 days from now? Yeah, in the next 3 days, they usually are quite accurate. But if you go beyond a week, the weather report isn't really accurate. Why? You have the best technology. You have sensors all over the world. They have sensors in the clouds, airplanes going, checking, storms in the oceans. They have sensors all over the world. And they're computing all of that. Why can't you get it right? So you know what this meteorologist said? He said the problem is we cannot get it right because of what's called the butterfly effect. And he said this example, it's an interesting example. He says if there's a butterfly flying in Japan, it affects the weather in New York. How? When a butterfly flies, it generates movement in the air. Very small movement. It's not even noticeable to you. It's not even detectable to you. But it generates some movement in the air. That movement causes changes in that part where the butterfly is flying. So it moves the air, it opens a gap. Then you have another layer of air that moves a little bit until you come to cloud level, to the jet stream. Yes, it's a very small change that the butterfly caused. Very small, insignificant change. But when it caused that change in the jet stream, and you go thousands of miles away, it affects the weather in New York. It can steer the direction of a storm thousands of miles away. It's called the butterfly effect, subhanallah. So that meteorologist said, with all these events going on Earth, it's impossible for us to know exactly how the weather is going to be like.